Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to find all hidden games on Android device. So today in this video I will show you the 4 hidden offline games which are pre-installed for every Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to turn off our internet connections because these games are offline games. Game number 1. Open Google Chrome application. Then here you search or click any object. Now you can see here is no internet. Here you just tap on the dinosaur icon and play the game. It's a good time pass game, and the best thing is that it does not require internet connection to play. The name of the game is Dinosaur Game. Game number 2. Open Google Search application. After that, here you click on the temperature section, or you can search anything from the search box here. Now you can see here is no internet. Here you just click on the play icon and play the game. Google hasn't given the game an official name yet, but many sources have given it a pseudonym, which is Floaty Cloud. Game number 3. Open Play Store and here you click on a game. Now you can see here is no internet. Here you just scroll down. Then you can see Hot Air Balloon Game. Here you just click on play and play the game. The name of the game is Hot Air Balloon. Game number 4. Open the settings. Then tap on About Phone. Here you find Android version and tap it many times. This game will be different depending on the number of your Android version. So these are 4 hidden offline games for every Android device that many of us don't know about. You can comment for which game do you like best. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.